Have you ever looked at a tool like Git or Docker and wondered how it actually works under the hood? Most developers use these daily, but few have ever built one from scratch. Today we are diving into Build Your Own X. This repository is the ultimate roadmap for engineers who want to stop being just users and start being creators. It is a curated masterclass in engineering that proves if you cannot build it, you do not truly understand it. Build Your Own X is a massive compilation of step-by-step guides for recreating industry-standard technologies. The core goal is to bridge the gap between high-level syntax and low-level systems engineering. Whether you want to build a blockchain, a 3D renderer, or an operating system, this project provides the resources. It spans across nearly every major programming language, including C, Python, Go, and Rust, making it accessible regardless of your stack. The standout feature here is the sheer variety of domains. You can find tracks for building neural networks, search engines, and even your own programming language. Each guide is hand-picked for clarity and depth. For developers, the benefit is a massive boost in mental models and architectural thinking. Instead of following a dry textbook, you get to see functional outcomes like a working shell or a persistent database that you wrote yourself. The development activity is impressive, with over 500 commits and a history spanning several years. This is not a static project. The commit volume shows a steady stream of updates and maintenance. It has reached a high level of maturity while staying current with modern tech trends. The momentum suggests a living document that is constantly being refined by the community, ensuring the links and resources stay relevant for new learners. The repository structure is incredibly clean and organized by topic. When you look at the top-level folders, you will find categories ranging from graphics and games to networking and security. Each section is a gateway to specialized knowledge. This logical mapping allows viewers to quickly find exactly what they are interested in, whether that is a 3D physics engine or a simple web server. It is a flat and searchable directory of engineering excellence. Because this is a curated list of tutorials, the repository itself is primarily written in Markdown. This choice reflects its role as a knowledge hub rather than a software application. The breakdown reveals a documentation-first architecture designed for maximum readability. While the repo is lightweight, the content it points to covers a polyglot landscape from high-level JavaScript and Python to performance-critical C and C++, and even systems languages like Zig and Rust. With hundreds of contributors and a constant flow of pull requests, this project is a true community-driven effort. The high star count and frequent forks signal massive reliability for long-term use. This is not just a solo project, it is a collaborative effort managed by code crafters. This level of oversight means the tutorials are vetted for quality, which is a huge signal of trust for anyone looking to invest their time into a long-term learning path. Setting up with this repo is as simple as it gets. Since it is a collection of resources, there are no complex installation commands or heavy environment requirements for the main repo. You simply clone the list or browse the README. Prerequisites vary depending on which project you choose, but the focus is always on ease of access. You can start learning immediately by following the links to the specific guides that match your local dev environment. In practice, developers use this repo to level up their senior engineering skills. A common scenario is someone wanting to understand the internals of a database like Redis by building a miniature version in Python. Another is a developer learning Rust by building a Unix shell. These projects are perfect for portfolio pieces or deep dive study sessions. The result is always the same: a profound understanding of how complex systems handle data and execution. Build Your Own X is easily one of the most valuable resources on GitHub for any serious programmer. It turns the mystery of complex software into an achievable challenge. If you want to master your craft, you should explore this repo today. Pick one project that intimidates you and try to build it. Don't forget to star the repo to keep these guides in your toolkit and consider contributing your own guides to help the community grow.